Hello good viewers, welcome to Sheet 2 Mathematics class. In this tutorial, we are going to be solving this beautiful exponential equation. So I can rewrite this equation to be in this form. So now having this in this form, we can see that 2 times 2x has been written to be give us 4x. Then we have 9x equals to 2. So now from there, I can write 3 raised to power 2 to be 9 to power 2x. Then plus 9 to power x. Then let me bring these 2 to this side. We going to have 0 at the right hand side. So now from there, so the next thing we're going to do is that I can also rewrite the first term of this equation to be 9 to power x. Okay, then I put what? I put 2 outside here. Okay, because at the end, what we're going to have, what we're still going to have plus 9x minus 2 equals what? Equals 0. So from there we have 9 to power x. So let k to be 9 to power x. I represent 9x to be a particular variable k. So therefore, anyway, I see 9 to power x, I replace with k. So I'll be having k squared. From this, k squared plus k minus 2 then equals 0. So now from there, the next thing is that I'm trying to factorize this. So now factorizing this, I'm going to be having it in this form, okay, equals 0. So I'm be having k here, I have k here. So I will be looking for two possible factors of minus 2, okay, so that when you multiply, you have what? You have minus 2, but when you try to add them together, you're going to have plus. So now what is that? And that is going to be plus 2 then minus 1. So let's say plus 2 times minus 1, I'm going to be having minus 2, then plus 2 minus 1, I'm going to be having plus. So which is what we have at the middle. So therefore I'm going to be having, this is 0 form equation, so it is either k plus 2 equals 0 or k minus 1 equals 0. So I have k to be equals to minus 2 or k to be equals to 1. That is, if this should go to the right hand side, to change the negative 2, and if minus 1 go to the other side, it will change to positive 1. So now from there, the next thing we're going to do is don't forget that we are not looking for the value of k, so we only introduce this variable, okay, to make our work more easier. So let's try to go back to this place where we have substitution. So from there, so we have what? We have 9 to power x equals to, that is when k equals to minus 2. Okay, so 9 to power x is equals to minus 2, and this cannot happen, because if you want to get this, so this is going to be something like taking the logarithm of both sides. So we're going to be having x, okay, ln 9 equals to ln minus 2, and don't forget that this the logarithm of negative value is not what? Is not valid. So therefore, so we discard the k equals to 2, that is k equals to minus 2. So it's not what? It's not one of the value of k we're going to pick. So therefore we're going to stick only on this k equals to what? 1. So therefore when k equals what? Equals to 1, so we can see that we have what? We have 9x to be equals to 1. Are you following? Then from there we can rewrite this. It implies that 9x to be equals to 9 to power 0, because any number raised to power 0 in indices is going to give us 1. So we try to write 1 as 9 to power 0, so that we are going to have the same basis as 9. Then whenever we are having the same basis, so their exponent are said to be equal. So we have s equals to 0 is what is the main solution to the problem. If you find this class very interesting, so do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.